Ever wished your air conditioner could respond to your voice? In today's video, we unveil the top 5 smart portable ACs compatible with Alexa and Google, blending cutting-edge technology with ultimate comfort. Stay tuned to discover which model suits your smart home needs best. This intro is designed to captivate your audience's attention immediately, highlighting the innovative aspect of smart ACs and prompting curiosity about the content. Let me know if you'd like further customization or additional elements. The number 5 product on our list is Dreo Portable AC. The Dreo AC515S portable air conditioner is a standout in the 2025 smart cooling market, blending robust performance with intelligent features. Delivering a powerful 12,000 BTU ASHRAE cooling capacity, it efficiently cools spaces up to 350 SPM HT, making it ideal for bedrooms, home offices, or medium-sized living areas. Its whisper-quiet operation at 46 dB ensures minimal disturbance, while the innovative drainage-free system reduces maintenance hassles. The AC5 and 15S's smart capabilities shine with seamless integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, alongside the user-friendly Dreo app, allowing for effortless control and scheduling. Users appreciate its 3-in-1 functionality: cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes, providing versatile comfort options. However, some note that its cooling efficiency may diminish in larger spaces beyond its recommended coverage. Number 4 is Midea MAP12S1TBL AC. The Midea MAP12S1TBL portable air conditioner stands out in the 2025 market as a top-tier smart portable air conditioner, blending innovative design with efficient performance. Its unique hose-in-hose configuration enhances cooling efficiency by preventing warm air intrusion, ensuring consistent comfort. With a 12,000 BTU capacity, it effectively cools spaces up to 450 square feet, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or medium-sized living areas. The unit operates quietly at 42 dB, comparable to a library's ambience, allowing for undisturbed sleep or work. Smart features include compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, as well as control via the Midea Smart Home app, offering convenience at your fingertips. The third one on our list is TURBRO 14,000 BTU. The TURBRO Greenland 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a standout in the realm of smart cooling solutions. Its powerful cooling capacity efficiently lowers room temperatures swiftly, making it ideal for large spaces. The integration with Wi-Fi, Alexa, and Google Assistant allows for seamless control, enabling users to adjust settings remotely or via voice commands. Additionally, its 3-in-1 functionality, serving as an air conditioner, dehumidifier, and fan, adds versatility to its performance. Compared to other top smart portable ACs like the LG Dual Inverter or the DeLonghi 4-in-1, the TURBRO holds its own with its robust features and user-friendly design. However, some users have reported issues with the remote control responsiveness, which could be a minor inconvenience. Number 2 is Della 14,000 BTU. Imagine walking into your home on a sweltering day, greeted by a perfectly cooled room, all set up by your voice command or a simple tap on your smartphone. The Della 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner makes this a reality, offering seamless integration with Alexa and Google Assistant for effortless control. Its 3-in-1 functionality, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes, ensures year-round comfort, while the quiet operation means your peace is never disturbed. Compared to other top smart portable ACs like the Midea Duo or LG Dual Inverter, the Della stands out for its affordability without compromising on smart features. However, some users have noted challenges with the initial Wi-Fi setup and app connectivity. If you're seeking an energy-efficient, smart, and versatile cooling solution that offers great value, the Della 14 BTU is a compelling choice. Now, moving to the last one is Midea Duo 14,000 BTU. Imagine stepping into a room that's refreshingly cool, even on the hottest days, all controlled by your voice or smartphone. The Midea Duo 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner makes this a reality. Its innovative hose-in-hose design ensures efficient cooling by preventing hot air from seeping in, while the inverter technology offers over 40% energy savings compared to traditional units. With noise levels as low as 42 dB, it's quieter than a typical library, making it perfect for bedrooms or home offices. Smart features like Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant allow for seamless control. If you're seeking a powerful, quiet, and smart cooling solution, the Midea Duo is worth considering. After reviewing the top 5 smart portable air conditioners compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, the Midea Duo 14,000 BTU emerges as the clear winner. Its innovative hose-and-hose design delivers faster, more efficient cooling, while the inverter technology ensures over 40% energy savings. With ultra-quiet operation at just 42 dB and seamless smart home integration, it's ideal for modern living spaces. For those seeking powerful, energy-efficient, and intelligent cooling, the Midea Duo stands unmatched. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 smart portable ACs compatible with Alexa and Google. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you